If you want to capture the moments that matter while you're out and about, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is made for you. It makes it easier than ever to create and share content on the go. Today we've come to the SX Sports Arena to test it out. So let's take a closer look and see what this can do. The Osmo comes with 14-stop dynamic range and 10-bit D-Log, which means you get rich details and authentic colors in your shots, no matter what kind of lighting you have. And you can use Ultra HD slow motion mode to record with 240 frames per second in 4K, so you can show off every detail of your coolest moments. Getting smooth and fluid action shots is no problem for this camera. The 3-axis stabilization keeps every moment steady, and with multiple gimbal modes you'll always be able to get the angle you need. It also supports Active Track 7.0, which is capable of tracking distant subjects even at 4x zoom, so you can get cinematic video without having to worry whether you're in frame. The Osmo makes it super easy to store and show off your content. With over 100 GB of local storage space and support for 1080p live streaming, it couldn't be simpler to share your creations with the world. Plus, the 4-hour battery life and fast charging mean that you always have enough time to get the shots you need. If you'd like more info about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.